हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वी वर डूइंग इनफाइनाइट सीरीज और आज हम करेंगे कॉशीज रूट टेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ कॉशी रूट टेस्ट. You have to remember the statement also. If summation an is a positive term series and limit n approaches infinity, an to the power 1 upon n is L, then the series is convergent if this L is less than 1 and the series is divergent if L is greater than 1. If limit n approaches infinity, an to the power 1 by n is infinity, then the series summation an is divergent and for L equal to 1 the test fails. So students, this is opposite of D'Alembert ratio test. इसमें आपके पास D'Alembert ratio test में this for L greater than 1 the series is convergent, but in this for L less than 1 series is convergent and for L greater than 1 series is divergent. So this is opposite what we did in D'Alembert ratio test. So how to write proof of this test? We will again use the definition of limit as we did in D'Alembert ratio test. So we have limit given to you, that is limit n approaches infinity, an to the power 1 by n is L. So by definition of limit, for a given epsilon greater than 0, there must exist a positive integer m such that difference between an to the power 1 by n and the limit L is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m. So this is definition of limit. So मॉडुलस अगर हम हटाएं तो इट रिमेन्स बिटवीन माइनस एप्साइलन टू प्लस एप्साइलन एंड एडिंग एल बोथ साइड वी विल गेट एल माइनस एप्साइलन इज लेस देन 1 an to the power 1 by n is less than L plus epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m. So let us take cases one by one. First is for L less than 1 the series is convergent. So take case when L is less than 1. So we will choose an epsilon such that L plus epsilon is also less than 1. So we will take an epsilon such that L plus epsilon is also less than 1. So this is the concept. अब L plus epsilon यहाँ पे है, इसकी हमने right hand side को choose किया. So we have from 1 that an to the power 1 by n is less than L plus epsilon and L plus epsilon is less than 1. So आपके पास, let us take this L plus epsilon is r. So we have an to the power 1 by n is less than r. Clear? So where r is less than 1. अब आपके पास this is of the form, अब आपने यहाँ पे an, ये आपके पास an to the power 1 by n है, taking nth power both sides. So we have an is less than r to the power n for all n greater than or equal to m. Student, this is of the form an is less than or equal to k times bn for all n greater than or equal to m. This is comparison test form third. अब comparison test, according to comparison test form third, if summation bn converges then an converges. So यहाँ पे भी अगर हम देखें तो k को ले लो 1. If summation bn, अब bn यहाँ पे क्या है, r to the power n. If summation r to the power n converges then only summation an converges. So by comparison form third, if summation r to the power n converges then only summation an converges. अब summation r to the power n क्या है, आपके पास एक gp series है. It is r plus r square plus r cube plus so on. So common ratio is r which is less than 1. So it is convergent. अगर आपके पास summation r to the power n convergent है तो summation an भी क्या होगी, convergent. Let us take case 2. In case 2 we have L greater than 1 and we have to prove the series is a divergent series. So आपने जब convergent proof किया था तो first की आपने ली थी यहाँ पे right hand side. Now we will take left hand side. So take left hand side of first. In this case we will choose epsilon such that L minus epsilon is greater than 1. So we have taken the left hand side of equation 1, that is L minus epsilon is less than an to the power 1 by n. So this implies an to the power 1 by n is greater than L minus epsilon. So let us take L minus epsilon as capital R. So we have an to the power 1 by n is greater than R. So we have the relation an taking nth power, we have the relation an is greater than R to the power n. So R to the power, or you can write R to the power n is less than 8n for all n greater than or equal to m. Student, this is of the form an is less than or equal to k times bn for all n greater than or equal to m. बट यहाँ पे आपने कन्वर्जेंस किसकी चेक करनी है, an की, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम कौन सा रिजल्ट यूज करेंगे, इफ an is divergent, then only bn is divergent. So if r to the power n is divergent, then only an is divergent. So हम यहाँ पे ये यूज करेंगे. So we have to check if r to the power n is divergent. If it is divergent, then summation an is divergent. So by comparison test form third, if r to the power n is divergent, then summation an is divergent. So since capital R is greater than 1, so therefore this is a GP series with common ratio R which is greater than 1, hence divergent. Therefore summation an is also divergent. अब आपके पास आता है केस थर्ड, जिसमें आपको लिमिट क्या दी हुई है, इन्फिनिटी. व्हेन लिमिट इज इन्फिनिटी, देन देयर एग्जिस्ट अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर m such that this an to the power 1 by n is always greater than some constant. Let us say this constant be 3. It is greater than 1. It should be greater than 1. So it is 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6. आप कोई भी कांस्टेंट यहाँ यूज कर सकते हो. सो रेज टू पावर, अब यहाँ पे ग्रेटर देन 1 आपने ले लिया, 3, 2 भी ले सकते हो, ग्रेटर देन 1 2 भी यहाँ पे ले सकते हो. दिस शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1. सो आपके पास nth पावर लोगे तो इट इज़ 3 to the power n. सो आपके पास आ गया 3 to the power n इज लेस देन 8n. सो अब आपके पास ये आ गया an इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू k टाइम्स bn फॉर ऑल n ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू m. बाय कंपैरिजन टेस्ट फॉर्म थर्ड, अब आपने ये देखना है, आपने चेक किसकी कन्वर्जेंस और डाइवर्जेंस करनी है. तो आपने इस वाले पार्ट की, मीन्स आपने an की कन्वर्जेंस चेक करनी है. तो यहाँ पे अगर आपने bn की कन्वर्जेंस, यहाँ पे तो ये an है बट यहाँ पे तो bn की कन्वर्जेंस चेक कर रहे हो आप. bn की कन्वर्जेंस क्या था, इफ an इज डाइवर्जेंट देन bn डाइवर्जेस. ठीक है, सो an को चेक करो. an क्या है यहाँ पे, 3 to the power n. इफ an इज डाइवर्जेंट देन summation bn is divergent, means if 3 to the power n is divergent, then summation an is divergent. So 3 to the power n is divergent. Why? Because it is a GP series with common ratio as 3 which is greater than 1, therefore divergent, and hence summation an is also divergent. So this completes the proof of Cauchy's root test. Next time we will do some problem based on this test. So thank you for watching the